So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to delete a watch list on tradingview. So first of all, open your any web browser and then search for tradingview.com. After that, you'll guys have to click on products and then click on chart plus. After clicking on this button, you guys will come on this page, and as you can see there are a bunch of options right here. You just have to click on this button right here, watch list details, and it has been opened like this. So now guys, there are two ways to delete your watch list. The first one is a long one in which you have to delete one by one everything in your watch list, and the second one is the short one. What will you have to do? That you have to click on the split button right here, and you have to click on this right here, and after that it will erase your whole watch list in one go. So that's how you will delete your watch list in two different ways. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel